touch you. And
Guys, welcome to my channel. It's Rixet23. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay Korean na lemonade. Ano siya ngayon? Trending siya sa ngayon sa baking. So, makiki-trending din tayo. So sukatan natin. Ang ingredients niya guys, pwedeng lemon o any citrus fruits, apple o ginger o cucumber. It's up to you guys kung ano meron sa inyong pantry. So, mine, I have a lemon slice. So, we have to measure 100 grams of lemon slice. And then, I already removed the seeds. So, para hindi siya bitter taste. And then, 100 ml of sugar. And we can keep it in a sterilized jar for 3 days. And you can use this one for refreshing, like with the water, cold water, with ice, or hot water. It's up to you guys what you prefer. So let's measure the sugar, white sugar. It's up to you guys if you want honey, kung anong meron sa inyo. To soak the lemon to the water with the baking soda for few minutes para mawala yung wax. So 88 siya. Oops. Over 104 with 100. 96, 99. They never exact. There you go. So, ayan. 100 siya. Try natin ang lemon. 100 grams. Yan. Let's put to 0. Hindi siya. Maganda siyang lemon, no? Or you can add ginger. It's up to you guys. Any citrus. I support it to you. Only few. So, I can so 100 grams na guys. So, isi-soak natin sa water with baking soda. Diba? Ayan. For few minutes para mawala yung adding all this. I know it's 100 ml, but I already sliced few lemons. So rinse that, sit that for few minutes para mawala yun. And then after that, rinse and drain it, and then we can put on a sterilized jar and with sugar with that. Ayan na guys, na-drain ko na siya. Na-rinse and na-drain ko na siya. So, we'll put it in the sterilized jar with sugar. So, no need the water with this one. And then, wait for 3 days. Then, make sure once a day, you shake the jar para yung sugar ba mahalo din mix. So, ayan. Lagay natin ng Pasensya na, is not in the right position. Kasi maliit lang yung ano. So, after 3 days, balikan ko kayo guys kung anong resulta niya. 'Di ba? Ano siya ngayon? Trending siya sa ano, sa Facebook na baking page. So, mukha namang successful kasi yung nag-suggest nito, meron siya yung cucumber separate with lemon or ginger or any citrus, lemon or orange. It's up to you guys what you prefer, what you happy with, what you doing. Yan. Lagyan na natin yung sugar natin, white sugar. If you don't have a white sugar, you can use honey. 100 grams, so 1:1. Dinagdagan ko lang yung hindi talaga sugar. Diyan yung bowl. So, yan guys. Kayo guys, after 3 days, diba? So, see you soon. I forgot na i-keep pala siya sa room temperature o na hindi na arawan after 3 days. So, yun lang guys. So guys, nandito na tayo. After 3 days, ito na yung Korean lemonade na nababad siya sa white sugar. So, timplahin natin para maging lemonade. So, meron tayo 2 glass and ice and then water. Try natin kung ano ba siya. Let's try kung masarap ba siya after 3 days siyang nababad sa sugar. It's up to you guys kung anong prefer nyo na fruits. Pwedeng cucumber or lemon. Yun nga guys, it's up to you what you prefer, what you happy to have to your jar. If it's lemon, orange, or ginger. Lagyan natin siya ng 3 tablespoons. Para siya yung buro. Tapos, mix with sugar 1:1. Or if you prefer to have honey, pwede rin. Then, dapat siya ng after 3 days in a room temperature. Konti lang kasi yung lemon ko yung natira. Kaya yung put some lemon so it looks colorful. Tapos after, each day ng 3 days, i-shake siya para yung sugar mamix ba siya dun sa fruits. Any citrus or any you prefer pa guys. Kung saan kayo masaya. Kung anong available sa inyong pantry. Hindi na ba kayo? You can put water, cold water, ice, or soda, or anything, or hot water if you want a hot drink. It's healthy ba siya? Lagyan natin ng water. mix na. Ano siya, maganda siya ngayong summer, refreshing. Refreshing. At healthy pa siya kasi pwede mo siyang mabalance kung anong how many sugar, kung mayroon kayong controls, may diabetic o kung ayaw nyo ng mataas. Nasa sa inyo yun, guys. Kung saan kayo masaya, lagyan natin ulit para Korean lemonade. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon to my next vlog. Bye. God bless. Thanks.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하리